Yeah, yeah.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Shirley. I make cleaning motivation videos, and for all my new subscribers, thank you so much for subscribing. I really appreciate it. It means the world to me. You don't even know how much it means to me. And thank you so much for all the likes in my last video. I got so much love on that, and it really makes my heart happy. Thank you so much for that. And today in this cleaning motivation video, I will be tackling the dishes. I will be cleaning the stove top where all the grease just built up. For the 6 years that I've been living here in this apartment, I haven't cleaned it at all. It's really embarrassing, but you know, it's real, it's raw, and I will always be honest with you guys. Also, my husband and I moved the refrigerator because I could see from the sides that it was dirty, so I asked him to help me move it, and you guys will also see that it was really disgusting, but it's so satisfying. So happy that I did that. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and comment down below the broom emoji if you have got this far in the video. So yeah, enjoy, you guys. So this was a rare day for me to clean up at 7 in the morning before I took my kids to school. But yeah, this is my 6-year-old. His name is Ramses. He'll be 7 in July. and he was getting dish soap to put in the bubbles to play with his sister. And this is my daughter, his sister Aurora. She's gonna be 2 in September. But yeah, I usually just wait until I drop them off at school to get everything done around the house, to clean and all that. But today I was just in the mood, and I had to clean everything up. It was disgusting, a disaster. And yeah, now they're in summer. They were often their last day was Thursday, but this was on Wednesday morning, and I just I have to get used to them being in the house and me cleaning because they will be here for the summer. So I just rather clean when they're not in the way. Look how filthy this was. I don't know how it got like this. We just got the refrigerator in a couple of months ago. Well, maybe that's why I haven't cleaned it since we got the new refrigerator in. But yeah, look, this was much needed. It had glass. It's just a whole bunch of junk. It makes such a difference. I hope to give you guys some motivation to clean under your fridge or move your appliances, because it does make a difference. These were so difficult to scrub. I used the simple green cleaner, then I used the regular green sponge, and I used the steel wool scrubber, and then this other cloth that my mom gave me with soap. It was just really difficult. I had to keep scrubbing, rinsing, scrubbing, rinsing. Sorry for the background noise. My daughter's over here in some little snacks